Bonjour. Although we cannot be together this year to celebrate the accomplishments of study students, and there are many, we would like to share with you the announcement of a variety of end-of-year school award recipients. Earlier today, at our final school assembly, faculty members from both the senior school and the elementary school made these special announcements. Avant de commencer, je voudrais féliciter toutes les filles du study pour vos accomplissements pendant cette année scolaire exceptionnelle. A special word of congratulations to all award recipients. I'm so very proud of each and every one of you. And now, I'd like to turn it over to Ms. List, our elementary school director. Merci.
Cette année, notre concours de poésie a été un fort succès. Bravo aux filles qui ont pu réciter leurs poèmes avec beaucoup d'expression et émotion, même avec le masque. Les gagnantes sont, pour le deuxième cycle, en troisième place, Élise Morin. En deuxième place, Adèle Gauthier. Et notre gagnante pour le deuxième cycle, Maya Kazuski. Félicitations. Pour le troisième cycle, en troisième place, nous avons Minnie Zhao. En deuxième place, Catherine G. Et notre gagnante pour le troisième cycle, Adélaïde Lumkoso. Félicitations à toutes les filles qui ont pu participer.
The Alexander Hutchison competition is an annual essay writing competition for study students starting from grade 3. This year's winner in grade 3 is awarded to Valeria Valentina Jimenez Matza. In grade 4, Elise Rose Morin. In grade 5, Daphne Molson. And in grade 6, April Sang. Congratulations, ladies.
Hello, today I am here to present the Amalia Kritikos Kiris Award. This award is for community leadership at the grade 4 to 6 level, and the award goes to Emily Pierce.
Le prix Mairie Listro-Hébert est un honneur présenté à une élève de la 4e à la 6e année qui démontre un esprit de recherche et une curiosité scientifique indépendante. Cette année, notre gagnante est Catherine J. Durant tout son cheminement scolaire, Catherine a montré un grand engagement et une grande avidité à apprendre les sciences. Cette brillante élève s'est notamment démarquée par son indépendante pensée scientifique, ce qui lui vaut aujourd'hui ce fabuleux prix de Mary Listro-Hébert en sciences et en technologie. Nous félicitons Catherine J.
Le concours La justice à bonne mine est organisé par le barreau de Montréal. Ce prix est attribué à l'élève dont le texte respecte le thème, fait preuve d'originalité et applique les règles qui régissent la langue. Cette année, le prix est remis à April Chen.
For many, cursive handwriting is somewhat of a lost art. At the study, we honor this tradition by holding the Barbara Whitley handwriting competition. Congratulations to Cindy Zhang in grade 6, our winner for this year. The Kathleen Kirkpatrick Award is given in recognition of the continued diligence of a student in Cycle 2. This year's recipient is Charlotte Wu. Congratulations.
La dictée PGL est un projet éducatif d'origine canadienne qui cherche à sensibiliser les jeunes à l'international de manière ludique aux enjeux du monde qui les entoure et à améliorer l'usage et la maîtrise de la langue française. Les deux finalistes de la 5e et 6e année pour l'édition 2021 sont Daphne Monson et April Chen. C'est April Chen qui a représenté l'école en participant à la grande finale internationale lors de laquelle 120 finalistes provenant de partout au Canada et aux États-Unis se sont efforcés de faire le moins de fautes possible afin de remporter l'une des 6 bourses d'études totalisant 7 000 $. April Chen a remporté le premier prix dans la catégorie français langue seconde et se mérite une bourse d'études de 2 000 $. Toutes nos félicitations, April.
We would like to take this opportunity to thank the grade 5 and grade 6 prefects for their hard work and dedication all year. You were invaluable support to your teachers, and you organized some truly amazing and fun activities for your classmates.
Alors un grand merci en 5e année à Adélaïde Lombroso, Elisabeth Tardif, Lorraine Rahal, Dora Tang, Catherine Latreille, Imogène Richter, Daphné Molson, Gaëlle Sagredo-Lalumière.
And in grade 6, Sophie Bergevin, Olivia Missonnier, Zingyi Zhang, Sienna Zhang, Leila Papagiannis, Annabella Alperstein, Priya Kennedy, and Catherine G.
Bravo les filles, vous avez été merveilleuses cette année.
It gives me great pleasure to announce the winners for this year's McIntyre. The McIntyre Creative Writing Competition encourages creative writing and fosters community spirit, held each year by the Westmount Library. Students are asked to produce a creative piece of writing based on a theme. This year's theme was Think Big, Start Small. Winners are chosen based on their creativity, writing style, and logical development of ideas. Once again, our study girls shine. This year's winners go to, in grade 2, we'll start with third prize, Vela Yordanova. An honorable mention to Jai Zhang. In grade 3, first prize goes to Emily Chen. Grade 4, first prize goes to Emily Pierce. Third prize, Kieran Kennedy. And we have 2 honorable mentions from grade 4, Rebecca Zhu and Charlotte Hu. In grade 5, second prize goes to Disha D. Third prize goes to Karina Yang. I'm not finished. In grade 6 this year, we have honorable mention to Ashley Guan. And in grade 7, first prize goes to Sophie Hunt. Thank you, girls. You're all winners.
The Merit Award is given at each grade to a student who best demonstrates both academic and social skills. The student will have proven that she is an excellent worker, is sensitive to others, and is an asset to the school. In grade 3, this award goes to Shan Elsa Gao. In grade 4, the award goes to Kieran Kennedy.
At the grade 5 level, the Merit Award goes to Michelle Wang. Congratulations, you're a pleasure to teach.
En 6e année, le Merit Award est attribué à une élève qui démontre d'excellentes habitudes de travail, un désir constant de bien faire les choses et une belle sensibilité envers ses camarades de classe. Cette année, le prix est remis à Minnie Zhao.
The Yale Prize. The Yale Prize is awarded to a grade 10 student who has shown outstanding character and intellectual promise. It's my pleasure to announce that this year's Yale Prize Award winner is Sabine Moss. Congratulations, Sabine.
The Alexander Hutchison Essay Prize, Best Essay at Grade Level for Grade 7 goes to Yasmin Marwa Bukadoum. Congratulations. The Alexander Hutchison Prize for Best Essay at Grade Level for Grade 8 goes to Jalu Marie Chen. Way to go.
What a pleasure it is to announce the winner of the Grade 9 Alexander Hutchison Prize. This year's winner is Erin Handa. The Grade 10 winner for this very prestigious award is Lila Asabgi. And in grade 11, I am so honored to share with you the name of our Alexander Hutchison winner, Sophie Jalina.
Hello, I am here to present the Amalia Kritikos Kiris Award for Community Leadership at the grade 7 to 11 level. And this year, the award goes to Sofia Harasimovich. Thank you.
The Batat Award for Math and Science is for a student who has demonstrated both academic excellence and significant promise in math and science, and who has excelled in at least one extracurricular activity relating to either subject. This goes to a student in grade 9, and the student receiving this award this year is Olivia Wu. Congratulations, Olivia. There is also the Batat Award for Math and Science for a grade 10 student for a grade 10 student who has demonstrated both academic excellence and significant promise in math and science, and who has excelled in at least one extracurricular activity relating to either of these subjects. And in grade 10, the recipient is Hannah Kwan. Congratulations, Hannah. The Mary Listro-Hébert Prize for Science and Technology is presented to one student in high school, so from grades 7 through 11, who exemplifies independent scientific inquiry. This year's recipient is grade 9 student Geneva Pham. Congratulations, Geneva.
Hello, I am here to present the Bruce Hicks Award. This award is a public service award to the student who best exemplifies the qualities of Bruce Hicks, equality through action, the amelioration of conditions of the disadvantaged. And this year, the award goes to Jacqueline Hayes Babchuk.
The Christy French Jerwinski Prize goes to a grade 10 student and is based on both ability and special interest in science. And this year, the prize goes to Cherry Shi. Congratulations, Cherry.
The Dedication Award is awarded to a student for continuous effort in grades 7, 8, and 9. This year's winner is Ella Rose Coder. Congratulations, Ella Rose.
The Duke of Edinburgh Award. This is a Young Canadians Challenge for voluntary activities of personal discovery, growth, self-reliance, perseverance, responsibility, and service to the community. This year, the bronze level recipients are Florence Hamrichon-Goulet, Laurence Chevalier, Sarah Hunt, Charlotte Lebon, Fiona Atkin, Jacqueline Hayes Babchak, and Sophia Cregan. Congratulations to all recipients and to those students who are still working hard to complete their bronze and silver levels at this time.
Hello, I'm here to present the Heckler Prize. This prize goes to a student in grade 9 who has proven herself to be a leader and has also promoted unity, cooperation, and harmony in her class. The prize goes to Alexa Campo.
What a delight it is to announce the winner of this year's QAIS Public Speaking Competition, Joanna Argytis.
The Junior Public Speaking Award, the winner of the QIS Public Speech, goes to Elia Sierra Vieyer. Congratulations.
What a delight it is to announce the winners of the QAIS Junior Essay Competition at the study level. Winners are Yiying Ella Q and Yuretsi Hernandez Aviles. The QAIS Senior Essay Competition this year was won by Isabella Gualteri and Sarah Bergevin.
The Renata Sutherland Leadership Award. This award is given to the incoming head girl to allow her to attend the CASE Student Leadership Conference. This year's winner is Sabine Moss. Congratulations, Sabine.
The Merit Award in grade 7 goes to Sophie Hunt. Congratulations.
This year's grade 8 Merit Award goes to Maria Cristina Calibestos. Congratulations, MC.
Good day, everyone. This Merit Award is for a grade 9 student who best demonstrates both academic and social qualities. This student has proven that she's an excellent worker, is sensitive to others, and is an asset to the school. It is my sincere pleasure to announce that this year's winner is Estelle de Gaspé-Beaubien.
I have the pleasure of announcing the Merit Award for a student at the grade 10 level, who best demonstrates both academic and social qualities. This student has proven that she is an excellent worker, sensitive to others, and is an asset to the school. This year, the grade 10 Merit Award is given to Laurence Chevalier.
Bonjour! Le prix de mérite est attribué à une élève de la 5e secondaire qui a fait preuve d'excellence sur le plan académique et sur le plan social. Cette élève assidue aura fait preuve d'une belle empathie envers ses pairs et aura montré qu'elle était un atout important pour l'école. Cette année, ce prix est remporté par Johanna Arjaitis. Bravo!